Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this quick tutorial, I'm gonna show you guys how to change screen out time in Windows 11 computer. So that will be quite quick and easy process. Let's go ahead, go to the search menu and type control panel. We're getting the best match for it. Click on it. In the control panel, you have to find power option. Here it is. Click on it. And on the left pane you can see there is an option, choose when to turn off the display or change when the computer sleeps. So here it is. What is screen out time? Basically you can define it as how long it takes for your screen to lock or go to sleep without any interaction or activity. So you can change the sleep and display settings that you want your computer to use. Depending on the condition, either it's on battery or it's plugged in. Two options are available. Turn off the display. You have a drop down list and different time frames available in it. You can click any of them. And the second one is put the computer to sleep. You can choose any time frame depending on your choice. So I will suggest you, it's a personal suggestion and a recommendation as well, that never choose this never option. Obviously it will drain your battery. So that's it guys. This is the way that how you can change a screen out time in Windows 11 computer, and after that you have to click on the save changes and that's done. So thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for further informative tutorials. Take care. Goodbye.